Today we'll talk about how can you disable waste on your app, on your Fast Body app. So we'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on statistics settings, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just go down here, you keep going down, you come here to OS, just click in this sign of this color. Like you see here, color it's gone, that's mean here with disable with us now. That's all you have to do, that's all. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.